Hello from the ranch. This is Frank. No gardening today. This is the Ghetto Bird that I built out of a '86 Ford Thunderbird Fox body. It features a rehashed 2001 Ford Explorer small block Ford on 3 turbo kit, Holley Terminator X engine management. Dropped everything but the steering column, put a Mustang K-Member because the T-Bird had crappy engine mounts, so it's got all later model Mustang front suspension, 94 spindles, 96 and up brakes off a V6 car, front and rear, 8.8 rear. That is 31 splined. There's the Terminator X. It is running a rebuilt 4R70W with some goodies in it. Bare bones, nothing high dollar. A little valve, some valve springs, a cam, billet timing chain, and a girdle in the engine, and some ARP rod bolts. That's it. I think should make about, I'm hoping 425, 430 to the wheels. I guess we'll find out. Only one way to find out, and that's strap it on some rollers. Stay tuned.